silver begins its journey beneath the earth.
Here, light fades and labor takes over.
No machines, only iron, stone, and hands. Each strike tests the earth for hidden value. The earth finally shows its worth. Only the heaviest stone earns passage. Weight decides the next step. What is claimed must be carried upward. Stone returns to the surface changed. Value is judged in silence. What survives inspection begins its journey. Every measure is recorded by hand. Every journey starts in order. From the depths, silver moves toward purpose. Silver leaves the hills under watch.
Value demands protection.
The path now leads inward. Weight tests every surface it crosses. When wheels stop, bodies continue. Transport ends where refinement begins. Transport releases its hold. Here, raw material meets authority. Nothing enters without approval.
The material is ready for its next transformation.
Order prepares material for change. Entry marks the end of distance. Mass is confirmed before transformation.
The next stage begins with separation.
The material meets water for the first time. Responsibility changes hands, not direction. Separation is about to begin.
Contact begins the process of separation.
The workspace aligns for repetition. Oversight remains constant. Material advances one step at a time. Only what remains earns attention. Water reveals what weight conceals. What is lighter is allowed to leave. Preparation gives way to method. clean material moves forward. Separation now depends on gravity. Gravity becomes the guide.
Heavier matter resists the pull.
Skill sharpens what nature provides. What holds value stays. Value is now concentrated. Human judgment completes what water began. Density reveals itself through sound. Only certainty moves ahead. Movement becomes regulated within these walls. Authority confirms readiness. From open air to controlled space. Stone is now ready for fire.
Fire replaces water as the guiding force.
Heat is built layer by layer. Air feeds transformation. Prepared stone meets controlled fire.
Balance is the first requirement.
Stone yields when heat is sustained.
Separation begins without instruments.
Experience replaces measurement.
Waste is drawn away. The metal is ready to move. The moment of transfer arrives. Form waits for substance.
Fire gives way to shape. Time completes the change.
Stone has become metal. Form must be reset before it can be controlled.
Uniformity begins in liquid state.
Empty spaces define future shape. Metal learns repetition.
Before correction, the metal must rest.
Standard form begins to appear. Size is corrected one cut at a time. Form must match intention. Imperfect metal returns to fire. The blank is now worthy of an image. Authority begins with an image.
Stability carries the design.
Metal waits between intentions.
Alignment decides success.
The strike is imminent.
Force transfers authority.
Identity appears instantly. Symbol follows authority. Not every strike becomes currency. Clarity confirms authority. Shape is corrected by hand. Form must match the standard. Symbol completes legitimacy. Only precision circulates. The coin moves forward complete. Struck metal enters its final refinement. Edges are softened, standards preserved.
Clarity restores meaning.
Weight confirms authority. Authority gives final consent. Imperfection returns to fire. Quantity follows certainty. Value is gathered. Currency is secured. Stored value waits for purpose. Security moves money forward. Silver enters circulation.
Metal becomes economy.
And this is how ancient Greece turned silver into money.